The cockpit. Got a nice big screen TV right above the cockpit. There's the living room. Got nice dual theater seating here. All electric. Rise up. Go back. And raise the back there. Lots of cabinet space. On the other side, you have a sleeper sofa that converts into a sleeper. You have your dining table here with some storage. And you have a TV that lifts. TV that lifts out of there. All HD LCD screens or LED screens. Cabinet spaces. It's the kitchen. It's got a dishwasher and a induction stove with 2 burners, Whirlpool microwave, cabinetry. These drawers here pull out for extra counter space. So lots of counter space there, great for cooking. Under sink storage pulls out. You got a little extra space there. Cutting boards. Dual stainless sink and an instant water heater. Nice hot water whenever you need it. And the fridge, like I said, the fridge is brand new. That was put in. The old fridge went bad, so they had to put a new one in. And wasn't quite as wide as the old fridge, so there's a little bit of a gap here. Could be remedied by just adding a trim board around the edge. That's just something we haven't gotten to. Nice pull-out cabinets for pantry. Lots of space there. Little wine cooler for your storing your wine, drinks. More pull-out shelving. And here we have the half bath. Just a toilet and sink, mirror, some more storage. And then your control panel. Everything is here, right at your fingertips. Got your fresh tanks, all your tank levels, diesel. So you turn on your aqua hot, all your lighting. Show the batteries here. Yeah, solar charger. So it does have solar power coming in. Right now, currently at 13 volts. Looks like it. Charging the battery about 20 amps. All the heating, slides, shades, fans, yeah, everything there. And then we got your master bedroom with a king size bed that does go up and down. Lots of overhead storage, some storage underneath the bed. Got your closet space here, and there's another TV in here that lifts up out of here. I'm not exactly sure how to get that one out. There's a panel over by the bed. Yeah, so you got your control panel at the bed where you can control the TV. So you can see that comes out there. So relax in bed and watch some TV. Got a fan in the bedroom. It's always nice to have. And of course your closet space. Nice gas fireplace or electric fireplace, I'm not sure. Yeah, and then the bathroom's really nice. Got 2 sinks there. Lots of storage. Shower, very nice shower. Lots of space. Walk-in shower. And the closet right here, got some shoe storage, cabinets. There's all your breaker panels, drawers, and hangers for all your shirts. And this one actually comes with a little safe so you can put some valuables in. And here's your washer and dryer. And again, this is a brand new contour washer and dryer set for the RV. So this was just put in 6 months ago, I want to say. Brand new. The original dryer that they had in here burned out and it wasn't heating anymore. Yeah, that is the inside. All right, it's pretty windy here today, so apologize for the wind, but I'll show you the outside. We do have the towing system all installed, and gross trailer weight that it can tow is 15,000 pounds. So lots of money there. And let's see, here's our rear electrical. Storage space there with I think that is the transfer switch. Here's our water tank. And here's more storage. We do have the road vac system all installed, so this is where your bag is. Here's the under storage. We've got 2 compartments here. These are on obviously pass through. Then we have our electric switch here, so we can pull these guys out, but I don't have it turned on right now. But yeah, you can see that these are electric, so these trays do come out, and they come out all the way on both sides. That's another one there. And this one is Ice Cove, little fridge and freezer unit. So you got a little extra space for you want to keep cold drinks out here or whatever. Show you the other side. System all right here. There's all the water and sewage, water filter, outdoor shower. And again, just the other side of our pass-through storage. Power awning on both sides. One over the door, and then one of the main awnings over each slide here. And yeah.